Do you want to learn how to use AudioBox by Meta AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So to visit this page, it's on aidemos.meta.com, and inside here, you've got all four of these demos. I've got tutorial on all four of them. I'm going to show a playlist at the end, so you can check them out on that playlist. AudioBox, let's click on it. And what this basically does is allow you to create an AI audio story with this tool. So inside it, let's click on try it now. Click anywhere to start, skip intro. Now it's going to give you these four options. This fourth one is if you want to start it from scratch, or you can try these three examples that they have given you. For example, I'm going to click on this first one, and it's going to create the whole story automatically. And as you can see here, it has created the whole story. You can play it or download it from here. Let's click on play to see what it has generated.
Once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf. The wolf lived all alone in the forest.
What sorts of sounds are in the forest?
Okay, I'm not going to bore you with the whole thing, but this is how it works. And it has generated like 50 seconds of this whole AI audio. And what you can do with this is add more speech to it. For example, I can select an AI voice, write a text here, and generate. And it's just going to add a speech like this, and you can move these around. I can also edit the speech from here. And these are sound effects. For example, I can also add a new sound effect. It's going to make a sound effect with just a prompt. That's very cool. So this one is heavy stomping on twigs followed by a wolf howl. You can edit the sound effect. You can ask it to generate another one. Now once you're done with this and you're completely satisfied with the whole thing here, you can just click on download button, and it's going to download it to your computer in this file format, which is .wav. And that's it. This is how to use AudioBox by Meta AI. I'm really sorry because I was not able to show you how to edit the speech and how to edit the sound effects. You can check it out yourself on this website, and I'm sure that by the time you check it out, it should be able to work. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.